Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadira Zahra. Today I will explain how to solve the problem number 1 from task 4. The question is, the height of a ball t seconds after it thrown into the air from the top of a building can be modeled by ht equal to negative 16t squared plus 48t plus 64, where ht is height in feet. How high is the building? How high does the ball rise before starting to downward? And after how many seconds does the ball hit the ground? From this question, we have the height of a ball t seconds after it thrown into the air is modeled by the equation ht equal to negative 16t squared plus 48 plus 64, where ht represents the height in feet. So, we need to find first the height of the building, second, the maximum height the ball reaches before it starts to fall, and the last one, the time t when the ball hits the ground. First, I wanna find the height of the building. So, the height of the building is the initial height of the ball when t equal to 0. So, substitute t equal to 0 into ht. So, h0 equal to negative 16 times 0 squared plus 48 times 0 plus 64 equal to 64, because negative 16 times 0 is 0 and 48 times 0 is 0. The building is 64 feet high. Next, I will find maximum height of the ball. The maximum height occurs at the vertex of the parabolic function ht equal to negative 16t squared plus 48t plus 64 as it opens downward. The formula for the time t at the vertex for a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is t equal to negative b divided 2a. In this case, a is negative 16 and b is 48. So we can substitute that value into the formula. T equal to negative 48 over 2 times negative 16 equal to 48 over 32, because negative 2 times negative 16 is 32. So 48 over 32 is 1.5 seconds. Now we can substitute t equal to 1.5 back into ht to find the maximum height. So h 1.5 equal to negative 16 times 1.5 squared plus 48 times 1.5 plus 64. So negative 16 times 2.25, because 1.5 squared is 2.25 plus 48 times 1.5 plus 64. Negative 16 times 2.25 is negative 36 plus 48 times 1.5 is 72 plus 64. So, negative 36 plus 72 plus 64 is 100. So we have the maximum height the ball reaches is 100 feet. Next, I will find time when the ball hits the ground. The ball hits the ground when ht equal to 0. So we set up the equation negative 16t squared plus 48t plus 64 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and we can solve it using the quadratic formula. The formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a is negative 16, b is 48, and c is 64. Calculating the discriminant. The formula of discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, so we can substitute the value a, b, and c into the formula. So, 48 squared minus 4 times negative 16 times 64. 48 squared is 2304 and negative 4 times negative 16 times 64 is 4096. So 2304 plus 4096 is 6400. Now plug this into the quadratic formula. T equal to negative 48 plus or minus the square root of 6400 divided by 2 times negative 16. Because of 6400 is 80 and 2 times negative 16 is negative 32, so t equal to negative 48 plus or minus 80 over negative 32. This given two solutions for t. First, t equal to negative 48 plus 80 over negative 32 equal to 32 over negative 32, because negative 48 plus 80 is 32. So, the answer is negative 1. This is not valid because as time cannot be negative. And the second, t equal to negative 48 minus 80 over negative 32 equal to negative 128, because negative 48 minus 80 is negative 128 over negative 32 equal to 4. The ball hit the ground after 4 seconds. So, summary, the height of the building is 64 feet. The maximum height on the ball is 100 feet. And the last one, the time until the ball hits the ground is 4 seconds. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.